Hey everybody, it's been a while since I put anything on my channel having to do with magic. So I have a Lost Caverns of Ixalan pre-release, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I haven't gotten a whole bunch of pre-release things, but I've gotten a few in the past, and I haven't gotten totally skunked on any of them. So figured I'd open this one on camera, let you guys see what we get. Cost me $25.99 at my local game shop. Got some tokens. My brother got a pretty sweet spin down. I'm hoping I get a cool one as well. You get the little deck box and whatnot. Yeah, that'll work. His was black and purple. We'll take the black and red though. That looks all right. Pretty darn nice. I've been a big fan of dinosaurs forever, so I kind of like that this is a dinosaur themed. Not all dinosaurs, but kind of dinosaur themed, kind of Mayan temple influence type stuff as well. Alright. Shows you what it is, how to set it up. That's pretty darn cool. Galta, Shath. Kudsley's Flanker, Cat Warrior. And the arena codes. I haven't been on arena in forever, but so there's 6 of these, and they're all draft boosters. Again, my local game store, which in this case I went to Spanky's in the Kansas City area. They were having a big pre-release thing going on. I haven't played in a long time, so I did not partake. I was actually in there to pick up a couple other cards and saw this. And $24.99, I said, you know what? Let's do it. It's been a while. It's been a long time since I've cracked any packs. But that's okay. Alright. So let's see what I get here. Oh, that's pretty cute. Apparently there's a lot of pirates in this deal, which is cool. It's the first time I've used this setup too. I'm using my ring light. Bought it for this type of thing and then haven't ever used it for YouTube. Alright, so there's the first booster. Numero dos. Vito's Inquisitor, vampire, kind of nice. Colossodactyl. And there are a lot of transforming cards in this. Well, I don't know about a lot, but there are some god cards that flip over, I believe, into like lands. And whatnot, so I am not super familiar with this set yet. I may never be, and that's all right. But that's why I may be flipping some of these over. Hey, got the second one of those. That's what a lot of the artwork, I think, was of in the pre-release. Oh, that's a cutie. Yeah, I am putting the dinosaurs out to the side. Hoping I've got a one of the new Galtas. Well, the new Galta. Stampede, whatever it is. Stampede Tyrant, I believe. Oh, okay. I will take that. Aklazat's Deepest Betrayal. Is that one of the ones that... Yes. Temple of the Dead. Nice. That's the black god in this one. So there's a black bat god out of that. Noise. Happy about that. That really pretty foil mountain. That's all right. Very nice. And a new island. A token bat. Okay. Half through. That the Aklazats was nice though. I will take that. I don't know what it's worth, but that I think makes this worth my time. Another Vito's Inquisitor. Gotten a couple of those too over the edges. Another pirate. Jade Seed Stones, that one transforms. Jade Heart Attendant. Golem. Ooh, nice. Ooh, that's pretty cool. I like that one too. Let's set that one up here. Nice. I knew there was another Vito, which that one makes me happy. I like the Vito life gain, death touch, life link. That's fun stuff. There's another nice foil land. Ooh, you can choose a color on that one. Nice. Got some punch outs. All right, 2 more to go. Got a Vito. I'm happy. I don't know if it's even worth anything really, but it may be something I end up playing. Orzhov is kind of where I've been designing around lately a little bit. I haven't played in a while, but that's okay. That's a pretty card. Another dinosaur. Nice. Never actually built a dinosaur deck. I've got all the stuff to do it with. Second family reunion that I've seen. I just haven't done it. was telling my brother today, it's like I've got all these cards, but I don't necessarily want to have to dig the darn things back out to put things together, which I know sounds dumb. Why even bother if you're not going to play it, if you're not going to have, decks going on. There's another one that transforms. Another golem. Didn't know that was kind of a theme going on in here, but it's cool. It's uncommon. Nikanzil. Current conductor. Belligerent yearling. I saw that one, I think, in some of the pre-release stuff. Well, of course, this is pre-release stuff. Yeah, that was one of the ones that I got spoiled a week or so ago. Bartolome del Presidio. Sorry, my bad. Bartolome del Presidio. Trying to read it through my phone as I am videoing this here. Amalia Benavides Aguirre. Vampire Scout. Interesting. Another nice Orzhov card. Vampire Knight. I'm going to put those guys up here. Sounds good. New Plains. Nice. And a token gnome. Gnome saying? Yeah. Last one. Then you can go on about your business. Cool. Another pretty, I mean, the art is just amazing on these. Really enjoy it. Very neon, over the top colors. I love it. Deconstruction hammer. Being a Norse pagan, I kind of like that. Reminds me of Call Time. But just seriously, look at that art. That is just gorgeous. Crazy. Automaton. Clay-fired bricks, a transforming artifact. Ooh, I like that. Creatures control get 1/1. Nice. Dreadmaw's Ire. That thing is bad looking. And a dinosaur token. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, I think probably the winner out of that one is that fella right there, Aklasats. But I may be wrong. I'm not 100% sure. Again, I haven't really looked through everything yet. I don't know what there is necessarily in the set. I've been looking at some of the dinosaurs, the new Galta especially. That's the one I've been watching it since it was like a $70 card like 2 weeks ago. Now it's down around 18 or 20, but I haven't pulled the trigger on that yet. But I might. Someday we'll see. So anyway, thanks again for watching. See you guys next time. Well, I won't see you. You might see me, though. Yeah, it gets a little tricky with YouTube. Anyway, thanks again for watching.